What's up, my dudes? It's Demi and I am at the Magic Kingdom for Tron Lightcycle Run. So many years have gone by and this ride is now finally open and we're going to be riding it today. I brought my GoPro to record it for you all and we'll talk about the boarding groups, we'll look at the queue, we'll discuss everything you need to know and hopefully have a great experience on this attraction. So let's get into it. Let's do Tron Lightcycle Run and let's get into some hijinks. Lightcycle Run is located behind Space Mountain in Tomorrowland. This is an existing ride, came all the way from Shanghai Disney, and now it's here in the Magic Kingdom. They opened a new snack stand called Energy Bites right in front of the main entrance. Here you can get the strawberry isoform, a watermelon refresher, and a beef and broccoli digital dumpling. Time of recording, Tron is running on a virtual queue. At 7 a.m., you're going to open your My Disney Experience app. You are going to confirm your party before 7 a.m., so that is ready. And then at 7 a.m., refresh your page, and then you will hopefully get a boarding group. And if you don't, like I did actually, because I had bad service, you can do it once again at 1 p.m. You have to be inside the park, and then you will get a boarding group number and just keep checking to see where they are at in the boarding groups, and you will be notified when your boarding group is ready to go onto the ride. You will have 1 hour to go onto the ride after your boarding group is called, and then just head on up. And there's gonna be, a slight wait, not like a lightning lane, which you can also purchase. If you are a resort guest at 7 a.m., you can purchase an individual lightning lane for Tron. Or if you are not a resort guest, you can do that once you enter the park, once the park opens at its official opening time. Yes, you can do the boarding group and buy a lightning lane to ride the ride twice. That is the only way to be able to do that currently, to ride it twice in one day. There are restrooms up here as well. There is a tester seat, however, unfortunately, I really hate the location of it. Right now there's no line extended out here, but there has been and there will be. And to test the seat in front of everybody is honestly just awful. And I've gotten a lot of DMs, comments, I've seen videos on TikTok about how people are just so hurt by having to do this for everybody. That's embarrassing. And especially because it took them so long to make this ride, and yet they did not change it from the Shanghai sizing. And people in Shanghai are much smaller than people in the US. I mean, there is an accessible seat, which you will see as we go inside, where you can just sit like a regular roller coaster, which is great that they added that, but I just don't understand why they couldn't adjust the seat to, have it fit people in the US. And the location is just awful. And I've also heard that these are not exactly accurate, and cast members have been telling people if they don't fit here to still go on and try the seat anyway, because it may actually fit them. Something I want to point out, and you can kind of see this woman is putting her foot all the way to the wheel. I've heard if you put your foot against the wheel, you may be able to fit better. Try this now. We're gonna see how I fit in here. And over here, this will be on the ride where you put your phone and other small objects. But let's do it. Let's be vulnerable right now. Okay, moment of truth. So you kneel, lean, and pull. So I mean, I think I'm fitting. I'm not even sure how we're supposed to check, but you can see that this is all the way against here, this is against my back. Let me know in the comments how you feel about it, because I have my own feelings. Team Blue. Ooh, we're entering the grid.
For your safety in this world, all users should be in good health. You should be free from high blood pressure, heart, back, or leg problems. You should be free from motion sickness or other conditions that could be aggravated by this experience.
We're entering the pre-show room already.
Users, prepare to be digitized into the world of Tron.
Oh my god. That was amazing. And then there's like nobody here and it's like so quiet. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. This is so cool. Oh my gosh, there they go. There they go. That was such an incredible, like, here's the moment. Like the same thing, like when you go on Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind, that feeling, I don't want to spoil that ride if you've never done it yet, but if you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. That moment where you're about to get on the ride. I mean, that was an incredible reveal. That was so amazing.
To Tron Lightcycle Run, the ultimate competition on the grid. All members of Team Blue must prepare. All users must secure large items, including backpacks, purses, and hats, in the locker portal before entering the grid. Lockers are just ahead. To open a locker portal, tap your digital key to the illuminated activation point. Please be considerate of other users and only use locker space that your party requires. Remember your unit number. You will be piloting a specially modified light cycle. When the gate opens, follow your path on the floor. If you are assigned the far vehicle, you must walk behind the light cycle. Remove phones, glasses, and other items that may fall off, and secure them in the storage area between the handlebar. To synchronize with your light cycle, kneel, lean, and pull the handlebars towards you. Tron Lightcycle Run is a thrilling, high-speed roller coaster type ride in the dark.
So this is a competition, this is a race, and we are Team Blue. This is the previous champions poster, but it's red and orange and yellow, so we gotta win it for blue, guys. So there are a bunch of these like motivational posters here on the wall, like winning is our destiny. I'm feeling empowered now that we are going to win this race. The lines are going to vary depending on the day and how backed up it is. We were able to enter right away. There was no extended queue, and it took 20 minutes to get to the lockers. Tell you which lockers to use has to be everything except like you can bring your phone. There's going to be a compartment on the ride for your phone, but any big backpacks, anything big that can't fit has to go in a locker. The lockers are free. A locker that is glowing, use your magic band or your ticket card or your phone, open it up, and then it's gonna be one of those lockers where you can open it on the other side after the ride. To the left, to the left. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. This is amazing. I have to say, this ride has been like so long, right, to wait for this ride, and I've kind of lost my excitement for it because of how long we've been waiting for it. But wow, when you're actually in the space, it's wild. It just feels so immersive. It's so well done. It just feels like you're in the movie. This is so cool. I cannot wait. So not every row of cars has this, but some, I think 2, have the accessible seating in the back where you're just sitting like it's a regular roller coaster. I do wish that they added the accessible seating on every row of vehicles. It would definitely make the line go faster for people who are using it. I think it looks great that, you know, a part of the actual vehicle doesn't look like 2 separate. I'm glad it's there. I just wish that, you know, they just didn't make the ride itself super small. I've heard from people who have gotten like stuck on the ride that being stuck in this position is incredibly uncomfortable. So, oh boy, let's hope we don't get stuck here. Giving us the stats about Team Orange. This is who we have to beat, guys. Gosh, here we go. We're getting the front row. We're getting the front row. I can't wait. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Kneel, lean, pull back. Where is the here's the compartment. Okay. All right. Switch to GoPro. Kneeling, leaning, closing. This is so cool. Oh my God, here we go, here we go.
Prepare for Team Blue Lightcycle Run.
Oh my God.
Remember, hold on, keep your head up, and face forward.
Somebody's magic band.
Initiate in 3, 2, 1.
a championship performance and victory for Team Blue.
Wow.
Users, watch your step as you dismount. Be sure to
That was amazing. miles an hour is no joke on this ride. I can't even like move, and I just realized I forgot my number, so I'm gonna look at the video to see which locker is mine. I'm gonna be glowing knowing that something is in there. Don't forget your locker number like me. Wow. I just have so much energy. The ride is really amazing. I honestly may like it more than Cosmic Rewind because I just love a fast coaster, and it's just so fast. That initial launch is insane. Nothing like I've ever experienced, and I've done like so many launch coasters in my life. I like King Taka at Six Flags Great Adventure is like one of my favorites, but this kind of like blew it out of the water. I'm so happy I got to ride it. It honestly, I think it's better than people have been saying it is. From what I've heard, I think it's worth the wait, and I'm just like, I have so many mixed feelings about all of it, but at the end of the day, it really is a great ride. And wow, I'm so happy. Well, my dudes, that was Tron Lightcycle Run here at the Magic Kingdom. I have so many feelings. At the end of it all, that ride is just amazing, and I think the accessible seat will still also be amazing. I just really need them to move that tester seat out of everybody's view. I really hope Disney will do that. I think it will help a lot of people's mental state when they come to their happy place. I've just heard so many like sad things and negative stories about the test seat and how people are experiencing this ride, and it's important to listen to those stories and do what is best, you know, for the people who may have an issue riding the light cycles, you know. So that's how I feel about it. If you disagree, let me know in the comments. I've been in a larger body myself. I know exactly how people are feeling, and I was very scared myself even to go see if I would fit. So it stinks that that's a big problem with this amazing ride, because the ride really is truly amazing. But that's my opinion on Tron. And I still had an amazing time. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you did like the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit your bell notification so you don't miss anything that goes on this channel. Follow me on Instagram at Magical Hijinx. Check out the Patreon, become a patron. You'll get exclusive bonus content, photos, lives, a free dining guide to Walt Disney World by Disney for Foodies, and so much more. And you'll be helping me to continue bringing you great content like this to this channel. And until next time, my dudes, I hope you guys can see some hijinks very, very soon. Bye-bye.